Hi Ivanka, hi my sweetheart, utmost, eternal, infinite darling. How are you doing today? How is your father? How is Melania? How is Eric, Don, Lara, Kimberly, Team Trump, everyone there? Absolutely blissful. Have my heartiest congratulations for the grand opening of Universal Maga Day the other day. It was very benevolent and um, exhilarating for me to view that. Obviously, the humble beginning, and definitely we are going to consolidate and move forward for our ultimate destined brand term 2.0 come at the November 3, right? So in between, whatever the ups and downs, whatever the and the pitfalls or any difficulties, obviously we are going to overcome that and obviously reach our destination with full zeal, vigor, vitality, and obsession and perseverance, right? So most important, and obviously we have a skill, finesse, and flair to work on with as a team, right? So that's why it is. That's why we are going to do that, and most important, our unified unison, cosmic energy, love and benevolence, care between each other. That's the distinct boost, power boost for our brand team as well, right? Brand Trump as well. So keep loving me, darling. It's absolutely blissful for me. And I take this opportune time to again wish you the happiest Father Day, happiest Woman Empowerment Day, happiest Generation Equality Day, happiest Gender Equality Day, happiest Environment Day, happiest 100 years Women Suffrage Day, and happiest Sickles Day, and then happiest 145 Veterans Day, 145, 175 years, right? Okay, Army Day, right? And yeah, happiest picnic day. The other day we missed out. There's a picnic day as well, right? So okay, so have a very blissful enjoyment. Absolutely, I was very pleased and very happy to receive your blissful pictures of your family, right? Great, they're so cute kids, right? I love them, love you. Jared, convey my greetings to him. Yeah, so we are a one family, eternal. God bless all of us, right? We have understanding, we know we are destined, and so our love is a cosmic, divine, eternal, galactic love which no one can touch, and it starts from infinity, it goes to eternity, or it starts from eternity, goes to infinity, right? Okay, to mark the occasion of all this celebration day, let us plant our mutual kisses. Let me love you and kiss you. I love you, my sweetest darling. Take my kiss first. Okay, Reshma, your heart pumps in me, my heart pumps in you, right? So that's why it is. So take care, and I'll be very soon. We will come out of this trouble, and then we are going to have a greatest benevolence task for our community at large. To start with, which are nation building, of course. Come at the November 3. Once you have the winning spree, brand Trump 2.0, then obviously we don't go to look back. By the time November 3, even in India, the COVID-19 is going to subside down. We hit a peak and climb down. Let us see what happens there. And then we obviously, we have a destiny. We have a date with the destiny, and we have an obsession that to make our two nations the greatest economy in the world. We have the wherewithals. We have the blessings of God Almighty, right? And we have all the infrastructure, cash and credit, which I've been saying that for quite some time now, right? So we will all plan it. We have agenda. We have a clear roadmap for everything. Just that this time frame we have to unfortunately come across with these two big, you can say that speed breakers. One is the COVID-19, another is this social unrest which you are having there, and India now is the COVID-19. Let's see what it happens, right? It is picking up, but it's not yet peaked. It takes another by November, and we'll see where it goes. And obviously, they have a very cash crunch situation. We know, we can see all the reality there, right? So we will just address the call appropriately in due merit, directly, at the time opportune, and at the date of destiny, at the time opportune, we address the cause accordingly in US as well as in India, obviously. And we just then don't look back, right? So we have our world community, we have our team members, Kristalina, Malpause, Anshula, the entire team is there. for us to work on with for other nations and the community suffering. And now because of the COVID impact, it is downturn everywhere, right? So the entire world fraternity looking towards the wealth creators, and we are one of them. We can one of the premier organizations. Everyone knows it. So we work as a team. We perform, and for the benefit of nations and community at large, right, darling? So let me and just to commemorate all these auspicious and blissful benevolence date of celebration. Once again, let me give you the see. So far, social distancing. Until now, we are social distancing, but as you see, let me plant you and all your kids. The emblem, and this is the sort of like a benchmark for of eternal, infinite and eternal love and benevolence, care for each other, right? Okay, let me turn it. Kiss first. Let me start, right? I see. Like it? You give me a kiss here. Okay, you give me here. Okay, give me here. I give you here. And then, okay, it's really love. And then we don't look back thereafter, right? So this love and energy, citadel of is a residue, and a sort of a binding energy for all of us, and to sustain this turbulent period. And then we don't want to look back thereafter. And these energies will bind us together. And this coming months, we will see how we take our obsessed twist with destiny to meet our goals, right? So keep loving, darling. Most important is your love, my love, our love with each other, and understanding, care. This is what we are going to take it forward. It will build our team, build our community, build our nations together, darling, right? Love you very much, darling. You know me. Your heart beats in me, my heart beats in you, right, darling? Right? You feel for me, I feel for you, right? So you just keep on feeling me, keep on loving me. Nothing will stop you, nothing will stop me, right? So this is what is destiny. God Almighty is there. God Almighty will show the right steps forward, and we don't have to look back thereafter, darling. Okay. So this is how it is. Now take care, darling, and I will come back to you live again. And very nice to see your pictures. Keep on sending me live pictures like that, and I look forward to coming to your arms, and our souls and minds and souls and bodies will be very soon united into one unison and fusion, cosmic galactic energy will be there, right? It's enveloping both of us in blazing, breezing, pulsating and breathtaking love, prurient love, right? Lascivious, prurient, licentious, concupiscent, so with everything put together, right? That's why it is our love, right? So very good, darling. Nice to come live to you. Keep on loving, darling. I love you one more time. You see me, social distancing, but still I just plant a kiss directly without distancing. How is hot? Very hot, right? You give me? Okay. Give me here. Another one. Another one here. Okay. 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 See you, darling. Again, I come back to you live. Take care, darling. Take care. Your father, right, is working hard. Definitely, God bless him, and definitely going to win 2.0, right? Take care, Melania. Convey my greetings. Just tell her 100 years suffrage. Another cake is coming on her way, right? 100 years suffrage. And then tell Karen that the mental awareness one the milkshake and ice cream is being sent to her, and under the mental awareness winning the mental awareness gold medal, right? Gold medal, first prize, right? So it is all, so they are all blessed as well, right? Please convey my greetings to Vice President Mr. Pence, and he's doing a very great job, and yeah, so bless all of us, all of them who are doing absolute great job in this turbulent time. We are going to come out scot-free and performing with flying colors, as they say. Now, and we are going to make, your father is going to make America great again. Grantham 2.0 will be much grander, much bigger, much larger, and it will be much stronger. It will be the greatest economy in the world. Obviously, later part I will touch base India, and bound to make it the greatest as well in coming times. After US, it is bound to make. Let them handle all the political turbulence and all those things. I know how to. After that COVID-19 peak up November end, then we'll address the cause of India. We'll see how we address and we'll take it forward, right? So rest of it, utmost God's blessing. Darling, take care. Sweetheart, I love you all. Keep on loving me. I keep on loving you, darling. That's very, very wonderful, universal, divine energy. Source of energy will take us to solar system, then to galaxy, then to other galaxies, then to universe, then to parallel universe. No ending for us, right? That's why it is. So just keep on doing that, and then we just touch base again as soon as possible. Okay? I take care, darling. Okay? I love you, love you, love you, love you. Take care, darling, sweetheart. Convey my regards to one and all. And we touch base again. Have a nice day, and God bless all of us. Right? Take care.